Drowning in 50 pages research PDF with headline looming over your head? What if an AI could summarize, explain, and even create mind maps for it? And all this can be done with just a few clicks. So let me show you how you can master PDFelement AI toolkit to conquer documents like a pro. Start by downloading this application by clicking on this free download button here, and you can run the installer and it will open the application for you. So this is what your application will look like. I would recommend you to log in now. So go to the login button, and here you can click on the login button and select the option with which you want to log in. That is, either you can sign up with Google or Microsoft, or just simply log into your account, or if you don't have a Wondershare ID, you can create one. I'm simply going to log into my account. So after logging in, you can continue using the application as usual. Let's open a PDF file. So to do so, click on this open PDF button and select the destination of your file and open it. So this is my PDF viewer where I have multiple options like this sidebar here where I can add comments to my PDF or even edit it by clicking on this edit button, and now I can make changes in my text anywhere I want. And if I want formatting options, I can click on this button and it has all the formatting options. Next you have convert option to convert the PDF into multiple other extension. Then you have view option, organize, and all these stuff. And on the right side you have the first option, which is our AI sidebar. So if you click on that, you can select the AI chat option and it will open up the chat for you. So let's talk about this chat. We have two options here. First is chat with PDF and chat with AI. So if you want to ask any question that is related to PDF, you can select this option, and if you want some help with doing research or any kind of search, then you can select the chat with AI option, which will be useful if you are trying to write a new PDF or editing some parts of your existing PDF. So let's select the chat with PDF option, and here you'll find the summarization option, which is this button here. So if you click on that, it will summarize the PDF. I think I've made a few changes, so I'll have to save that before summarizing. So this is the summary it has generated, and this is the summary. It is giving me the background of our PDF, the methods used, main findings, discussion and analysis, and lastly it is given me the conclusion and also a few questions that are related to the document, which can be used to start a conversation to get a better understanding of this PDF. Next option you have is to create mind maps. So you can do that by clicking on this button right here. So let's try that out as well, and here's the result, which you can see by clicking on this full screen button. So it will open it in a new screen, and you can zoom in and you'll see it has given all the necessary information in form of a mind map for better understanding and learning purposes, I guess. If you want to edit this mind map, you can select this website option and either copy the link of the website or jump to the page straight up, or you can even download this by clicking on this download button or copy it directly. So that was how you can create mind map. Now let's check out some other features that can help you minimize the time you put into editing your PDFs. So you can use the AI option to help you with grammar checks and proofreading your document. So I'm going to select this paragraph here. So I'm simply going to click on the edit option and select this paragraph, and I'll ask the AI option, which is right here, and ask for a grammar check and click on the continue option, and here it will check the grammar for this paragraph and it gives you a new text with the mistakes being corrected. So I had a few mistakes here which I made up, like here it was position and it has changed it to positions, and you can simply replace the original text by clicking on this button or copy it by using this copy response. So I'm going to replace my original text. So that was how you can use the grammar check option of your AI. Now let's try out the translate feature as well. So I'm going to select this text here and again go to the AI option and select the translate button, and here you can select the language in which you want to translate it. So I'm going to select Finnish, and this is the result which I can copy and paste wherever I want. After that, if you have any doubts in your PDF, you can always select the line or whatever segment you have doubts in, and again use the AI option from this here, and you can ask it to explain this selected section. So let's try that, and it will explain what the selected text is trying to imply. Apart from these AI tools, you have the normal PDF tools which you can access by clicking on this tools option, and you can see all the different types of tools like OCR, combine, compress, compare, PDF, flattener, take a screenshot, etc. And also if you go back to your home page, you'll see different tools to convert the PDF to all these different extensions. Then you can create, combine, even scan your PDF. Then you have the batch processes for your PDFs and all these other options. So basically you can use PDFelement to power through all your PDFs using AI as well as non-AI functionalities.